Good morning from sunny Las Vegas. It's so hot outside, I can feel the heat creeping in underneath the door. This bathroom is the worst. So the shower's there, the drain is there, but the floor is sloped, so the water just comes down here. So I looked at things to do, and it's all, like eating, drinking, casinos. But I would like to see the Strip in the daytime. There's a botanical garden in one of the casinos, like that's where I'm going. That's so boring of me. Like, Vegas must be the most exciting city on earth. Only I can make it seem so boring, but this city's just not for me. Cities just aren't for me. Let's get some breakfast and let's go. Okay, so that's another day at the Strip. It's 2:30 right now. Vegas just is not a solo travel destination. Maybe if you're like super outgoing and you want to party and stuff, but for a solo traveler on a budget, I just want to go back out to the desert. I want to drive out into the desert and stumble along a little oasis, like a little spring with palm trees around it. That's what I want. Speaking of desert oasis, I'm going to go back to the pool now, because why not? I paid for the hotel, so I might as well use the pool. Maybe I'll come here again with friends. I mean, it's just not somewhere I want to be on my own. I'll probably go back to the Strip later. Last night, after I wasted $1 on that machine that I couldn't figure out how to use, I got $10 credit. So I might as well use it. And maybe I'll have to read before I go how to play the fruit machines. I've got no idea. My friend who's coming here in 4 weeks, he said that one of his friends goes to this like 1 cent slot machine, and he was there like all night using $10, and they just kept bringing him free drinks and stuff, so maybe I'll do that, but I don't know. Look at me, I'm so brave. Someone walked past me and I was talking to my camera. I've been told In-N-Out is one of them places that you have to try if you come to this part of the world, but no thanks. I'm not really into burgers anymore. I do love fries though, but McDonald's does the best fries. Okay, well, let's go to the pool. It's a beautiful blue clear day. I'm reading a book. The only thing I want now is a beer. It's so nice. I love the sun. It's crazy. I'm sitting here in my swim stuff, sweating, and like 4 days ago I was in my car and it was like -1. guess it's not that crazy. I have gone like thousands of miles south. It's called Animal Liberation by Peter Singer. It's okay.